this is the final time ngo chaga ikakuna gutebinga follow up my things. Kwani what do you want me to do? Ngiota getenkore. Koru na gotebeti 1 week ago. Nga follow up. Otete ontebinga tubwati namba chiabo. Toko nyara ko banyaro whatever sort my issues.
You are putting me at a very difficult
I am not putting you at a very difficult position.
What are you doing?
What difficult position? How difficult is it? Kogenda kunsabira chiwe sechiane. What do you want me to do?
Do you realize this is an office?
What office? What office are you talking about? Oh, what office? But there's nothing over Koraime. A simple thing yoko what you cannot do.
If it's that simple, why don't you handle it?
Nice. I knew you were going to say that. Nilikuwa najua utasema hivyo. Esengencho omayetenga you don't have the balls. Joko kenda kunsabira chiwe sechiane. Boni gote tontevinga I follow it up. Nilikuwa ngontevinga I am a lawyer. I'm a lawyer. Tigambu ati, tigangu anena barabu. Mbona uko unaniambia nifuatilie mimi mwenyewe?
I'm your elder brother.
No, do not tell me about an elder brother. Oh, by the way, I'm talking about brothers. Mbona tigangu erese wana? I want you to listen to me and listen to me very well. Mbona iga sayigete, I'm between a rock and a hard place. My shipment igere Mombasa. I don't have money yoko nyerusiga wa support. And that money was going to fix my life. Yanencha ke biashara. Nkoruenka eninengende nyomu timoke buone with my husband.
How is that my problem?
That is not your problem.
Why are you even dating broke men? Your husband, your husband.
Point of correction. My husband does not owe you shit. And yes, is my husband. And talking about broke. Oh, you got that is what you've been thinking about all this time. Nabo konyoko ndengere rigo, let me tell you one news flash. Tiganko nko bange boni ganko erese. Enyomberi is our house. Inchenai eto tigere ntubabere. Sawa? Nande ginkwamua my friend tigango tebi. Enko ni enyombe yu tobakane gati. Ngende without that husband yoko tebanta bwati ngende kero munta chake ayo chake a fresh kwa gacha.
Ngoko ngaine.
Ngoko ngaine igo. Ngoko ngaine igo. Inheritance na kierikire. Eyomba ni itu 20 babere. Nande tigango kani bono iga I swear to God. If you do not follow up on my money, I will make big on that threat. It's not a threat. It's a promise.
First of all, I know you'll come down. Secondly,
what kind of lawyer are you?
Thirdly, I'm the kind of lawyer that you seek when you have problems.
Oh yeah?
Yeah?
Because I don't have an option but to deal with a stupid person. Because my thing no man family. And now
very careful.
Now I am doubting. Engo ko doubt sana ngano what relationship. Oye ba go sigete. Inki ora batali wakanira your sister. Usena senge njo o manyetenga bono ninche. You don't want me to get that money.
Let me teach you something.
Nyanduko. Ngiokorera. Usinosoro. Ngiakoroso. Usinosoro ngure chibesa na uchikogorobosi. Haingi kwachiko mora kere no bata chibesa. Usanyora yingo tirimboka. Ayo wana nakimama nyine no soro naye. Nchentumanya inikende. Usanyora yingo tirimboka. Watabanga ninchina muswera ta. Amarebi ori soro. Ninchina muswera ta so magambi nganere bibete ngoko. Umanya kubwate simi ya baba. Ongura. Wera chibesa chionzi bakongaka. Yani amarebi ori soro. Amarebi ori soro. Ayo watch komwa. Tukware gokura. Tukware gokura bantumba iweti. Tukware gotama. Toma ni kominyoka. Sinati kominyoko mbwata. Omara byo yoko bwata. Usaye ngonya. Nakingo konya inchebweka nisaire ko school. Nimetra kini nimete chibasa chichama mumino. Hocha kwa ibachi amaruri ryo gopima. Nchengo save munde ngira ne school. Ayo toto tukwera na school. School ai kwa usine weekend. Toto tukwera na school wa. Kwera na tori lakini nkobesi. Mama mambi kutumari chibesa. Tumba tibesa. Nkobesi ai mama mambi kuntumirali. Tumba tibesa ngoko. Ona usai no musani, no sino musani no. No yeki no musani ne nchininte tukwera ne school. Nkobesi mama ka kuntumira mambi ndu 5. Umeta ai mama minongo korare gasinje mama mitona merwa kwa nyakwani. Kera ritkonentu chibasanjire to gwaka no mugambi tachiko toswa. Aye nkobesi mambi mama kutumanga gwaka na kabi. Ayo ko ngayete. Okibaba ko ngitari ndere dio bosi. Aye, nje besta tengo kobe.
Akaya no muyango be susai no musani one.
Tichibo samba tichibo sachinke sana.
Ile ngobwate.
Tichibo mia tani choka mayambo wate. Nende school fees kimbata chiri buikomi manya. Kansa ngabiko chako kichu.
Ngo besi 200.
Ngo kodesi 200.
Mama kombekerali. Ngoro useri arafungwa.
Otagwakira mama mina esimyo akotomere chiwe.
Agotoma.
Gote muakiro matebi.
Echonero toma.
Gote genda te babo mino. Genda te babo mino so na kwa chiwe.
Baba kutikongita.
Ai genda yo matebi na ba ku understand.
Ay ngobesi. Mambi mama ko matenga ki.
Basta te yongo ko.
Ambe kere chivesa.
Ngoe. Gote to kutumia babo mino bune excuse.
Mambi kwa ndali.
Na babo mino kakurwana re ni
Baba
jojo.
narwari to kumbuka pressure. Kumuti mama ngake pressure atiri. Ha untumira nkwe
Na pressure ike utireke man.
Usinetira baba tabatene chaefu.
Kobe lawyer, it's just not about money exchange. There is a relationship to it. So you don't expect oba with your problems. You come here, I throw out the window my clients, simply because of your interest. And I wish you knew how much work I'm doing to make you who are very settled.
Oh, you are doing a lot of...
Not because of anything, because you're my sister.
I am your sister?
But you
I am
don't
your
expect
sister?
that
Am I your sister? Onye kinde your sister. Ningi yako erogo take months. How many people obviously yeba taringe magaiga nko iwisko ari bago tebanga oh lawyer so and so na bago kokonya. Lawyer so and so na bago kokonya. Why don't I, what is the reason? Era guarantee nangerenga you are sabotaging me.
Who's that lady ngakimore nere?
Mangane manjiturubena are non-consequential. And by the way,
she's
I've
your
been
friend,
very patient.
I have.
Did I tender to woman Chiturubena? Did I tender to woman Chiturubena?
Did you tender to me?
I did not tender to woman. You are the company lawyer. And by the way, you are my brother. Did you go and did I tender to you? Did you, when it is about inche, wakoteving mbwateri chibesa, abuna nariogo chakotevanga, did I tender to you? Go follow yourself. Lakini ingokoteving agendo babori, abona kwa chakanga. You know we have a relationship. You know we are friends.
I didn't want to tell you
the
this.
same energy. Nyetumeke diriogo kwa about the relationship to what?
I didn't want to tell you this, but that company is at the verge of falling.
I'm sorry. How is that my business?
You lose your money. And if you think that you're going to get leverage, your so-called property, you must get it simply because you get a will. Can alter.
Almost na iweka nyorete. Na iweka nyorete. Iwe nyombe yu. Dirinde musubati.
Tali katuni elinko role rero. Nyoro monto boronge nyuomu. You are a smart woman.
Oh, no, my dear. Let me tell you, you are my brother, but that is where I draw the line. My friend, that cartoon is here to stay. He is here to stay. In fact, because that house, I am marrying into that house.
Actually, part of the job because if you had a proper husband, proper husband. You didn't even consult me. You are seated here calling me a stupid lawyer. You are forgetting I'm your brother. Chairman yoko deflect. Naye billboard. Ya bantu bakobeka abantu abayiri babande mutu abagotigete my friend. By the Intu babereiga noche. We are only two. Iga inchenai. If you die today, you will die on the streets like a dog. Those people will be nowhere to be found. I have big friends.
Anyway, don't waste time. Why are we even wasting time on this bullshit? The
governor is my friend. Okay. Yeah? Okay. I have big friends. The national government, the county government.
You have governors as friends. Like
with your problems, just the one, like the one you have actually, you could save that for a funeral. That is if I die earlier than you.
Oh, you will die. That. You will die earlier than me, my friend. You will die earlier than. And by the way, at this point, even if you die, I don't care. My money.
I have
very clearly. Otherwise, and that is final. I have nothing to say to you after that.
Okay, I need my space back. I have serious clients. I need to kindly respect my office.
Mungu nitapiga nduru hapa hivi.